newborn kitten is wowing loudly, attracting her cat mom to bring him home. In the quiet earth, a newborn kitten broke the silence of the night with its loud meow. That sound is the call of life, the persistence in helplessness, and the desire for warmth. Its call penetrated the night and touched the heart of the mother cat. The loving guardian of nature heard the call. Her eyes flashed with the light of maternal love in the night, and her steps were firm and fast. She knew that her children needed her and her home needed her. The kitten's cry became more and more urgent. It didn't know where its mother was, but it believed that its mother's love would never get lost. Finally, after a hard call, the mother cat appeared. She licked the kitten gently, surrounded it with her body temperature and love, and took it home. This scene is a microcosm of maternal love in nature and a miracle of life inheritance. It tells us that no matter how weak, as long as there is love, there is hope. In this world, every life deserves to be cared for, and every love deserves to be praised.